shown again. So this is the origin 0 0 0 and this value is nothing but what will the coordinate of this one? SL in x axis, SW in x axis, SL in y axis and SD in my z axis. So it means this position will tell you where you have started and this position will tell you where you are right now after each putting each value. बुझेला? So after clicking this one, if you will click OK over here, you will get this box. ठीक है? Now if I want to change my substrate width from 80 to 100, so what I have to do? I should not go to this table. There is another option where my parameters has already been shown. So in that SW you directly write 100. In place of 80, if you write 100, so this width will increase to 100. It will start over here and this value, this position will come to this position. बुझे लगे नहीं? If I change my SW to 80 to 100, so directly automatic my design will change. I no need to go to that box and I no need to change that. बुझे ना? Now after putting that substrate, what is the thing I have to add? Is nothing but my ground layer. ठीक है जी? Now tell me the ground layer will above the substrate or below the substrate? Below the substrate, it means this will be, if I remove this one, this will be my ground layer. Yes or no? A axis से भी तौड़ जाइए Okay. So for ground layer, the length and width of the ground layer will same. Only the thickness will nothing but 0.35 mm. अच्छा, one more thing. After putting this SW, SL, ST, here they will ask what is the value of SW. You will assign the value of SW as 80. SL is 80. ST substrate thickness is nothing but 1.6 mm. Got my point? So after putting these three values, you will get this box. Now again you have to click the box option from there. Again you will click, double click over here, double click over here, double click, 3 times double click. You will get this another 3-dimensional box. Again you will assign that box name as ground. What will the material for that ground? Copper. After putting the copper, then putting OK, you will get another type of box like this. Now tell me, what should be the position of the ground? If you have started over here, then the position will be 0, 0, 0. Yes or no? So now in x axis and y axis, I have to move the same length and width. It means I can write x value as SW. Because if you take another variable GW, again you have to vary that value. So it's better let's take SW, or you can put GW and assign that GW as 80. But if you take SW, you no need to put any value because already you have assigned one parameter, one variable for that S for SW. Got my point? If you will assign GW over here, here they will ask what will be the value of GW. But if you will write SW over here, they will not ask that what is the value of SW because this value has already been taken before. Now for x axis this is SW, for y axis
GW.
No, I already said this SW and GW both value are same. I am not taking any another variable. This is nothing but SL, y axis is nothing but SL. Now tell me, I was at starting I was here, I moved in x axis to this point, I moved in y axis this point. Now for z axis I have to move up or I have to move down? Down means below the zero level. It means this value will be
Negative.
minus GT. Minus GT, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you put minus GT, the value you will assume 0.35 mm. But if you will write GT, then you have to write minus 0.35 mm. Got my point? Because your ground value is nothing but, this ground box is nothing but starting from origin. It is starting from here and it is ending at this point. And this point is nothing but same as x and y. But in z axis, this is the origin. So it means this is the in z axis. This is the z value equal to 0 at this point also. As at this point z value 0. This point also z equal to 0. And this point my z value is nothing but minus 0.35. So either you write GT and that GT value you put minus 0.35, or you write minus GT and put that value as 0.35. Anything you can take. बुझेला? So after that my substrate and ground level is already designed. Yes or no? Achha. Now what I am doing, I will put my patch over here. So again I will click a box and I will click double click over this point, double click at this point and double click in the z axis. I will get a design something like this. What is this one? This box is nothing but my patch. Acha. Now this is the starting point. For each box you will take another box and name that box as patch, and the material for that patch is nothing but patch. All these three are copper. These three and ground level, those are copper. Only for the substrate is nothing but our rubber. This patch is copper, is okay. Now that box will come. In that box you have to put the position at x, y, z value. Now see, position means the place where I started. I started at this position. Acha, I already told you from here to here this length is nothing but 65. Yes or no? It means how many distance this one? 50. This value is 40 and I have taken 80. It means this is nothing but 20 and this is nothing but 20. Yes or no? Now tell me, to reach at this point is nothing but this point. Okay, so from this origin I want to reach at this point. So what should be the x value? I have to move in x axis how much distance? This is the origin. I have to move a distance of 20 mm in x axis. Yes or no? So in x axis I have to move 20 mm. Then in y axis, this is the y axis, I have to move 15 mm. So this is nothing but 15 mm. Then in z axis I have to move
ST 1.6 mm.
Achha, let me write. This position is nothing but in x position I have to move 20, and in y position I have to move 15. My z position, now tell me
Substrate length.
this blue till the blue one is your substrate, and the upper this leather one, this velvet one is nothing but your patch, and the origin is nothing but this ground layer. Here is the origin. So for the patch which is present above the origin or above the substrate? Above the substrate. It means from origin first you have to move in z axis is nothing but the height of the substrate, then only you have to move the thickness of the patch. बुझेगा कि नहीं? So for the position you are moving x axis in this direction, y axis in this direction, and in z axis also you have to move till the height of the substrate. So here you will move the st. It means from the origin you started, from the origin you are now at this position. At this position is nothing but, if I keep like this, here is my patch and here is the origin is nothing but at this point. It means in x axis you have moved 20 distance, in y axis you have moved 15 distance, and in z axis you have already moved the substrate thickness. Now tell me, now you are at this position which is nothing but this value. This value is nothing but my 20, 15, substrate thickness. Yes or no? Now from this position you have to reach this position, and how you have to move? You have to move this distance first. So this distance is nothing but my patch width. Here you will assume patch width, and they will ask the value. You will put the value as 40. Yes. Then
Sir, 20 plus patch width.
now you have already started from the position. It means I will not change I will not deviate from this position. This position already I got by taking the 20, 15 and substrate thickness. I already reached above the substrate.
सर पैच विटा एमते देथिबो ना 20 देथिबो कि 30 देथिबो तो एटा 20 प्लस 20 आई थिंक ऐड कला पर 40 आसीबो से जो पॉइंट है कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट है
आहा 400 0
ना
चली जी. अरे this is the position, and now from this position how much distance I have to move. So that is my patch width. Position means where you will starting position. This x, y, z value will indicate how much distance I have to move in x and y in z axis. It means once I reach at this position, now from here I have to move at the distance of this one, and this is nothing but my pw in x axis. Similarly, now I reach over here.
pw टा ଗୋଟେ लेंथ ना
pw हां length
माने से width ଗୋଟେ
हां it means
कोऑर्डिनेट तो
yes, it means, let me tell you, at starting it was 20, now at pw I put 40. It means I reached at this point or not? It means from origin what is the distance from here to here? 60, because before it was 20, now I moved a distance of 40 for my patch width. That's why I reached 60.
जी मु से कथाटा सर कहतली कि सर से जो कोऑर्डिनेट है लिखा আছে যে 60
80 ना this already এই পয়েন্টটা it will show me where I have to start মতে কোউটু স্টার্ট করিবি মু এইটু স্টার্ট করিবি কি এইটু স্টার্ট করিবি I will this is the box dimension of the box for a box I will start at this point I will end at this point so this is the starting position means from origin this is the origin from origin I have to move 20 mm in x axis in y axis I have to move 15 mm and also in height also I have to move the height of the software yes or no so from there for this patch dimension I have to move in x axis pw acha now I am here from here I have to move till this point this is nothing but my pl so in y axis what is the parameter pl from here I have to move upward how much distance in z axis pt yes or no and all these values are positive because I am now in a first quadrant of the xyz coordinate it means all values I am taking as 50 because this is the origin ei jo pointer this point is nothing but this point it are substrate which you are looking from this side so this is the origin this origin already substrate is placed now I am putting a patch over here it means my patch is this is your y axis this is your x axis and the above is z axis can you relate the z axis ero patch ta kon both x y z all are positive value that's why this 40 and this 35 and this 0.35 all values are positive value got my point now tell me this one is substrate now my patch will something look like this yes or no a rectangular box over here with a height of 0.35 mm yes now what I have to connect let me ball be original confusion acha 80 pore ase acha thak 80 thak now I reached at the patch point now I have to put my quarter length yes or no now tell me for the quarter length I have to take another box I have to double click over here and a height of another double click over there so it will look like this relate kori parchu na এটা 3D টা ড্র করছি হলো জানা পড় মত one double click over here second double click and third double click over here acha now tell me for this position first thing is that after putting that you have to create one box in that box you have to put some position and you have to put all these three values these values are very easy because you know these values in x axis y axis and z axis you know the values bujhela but only the thing is you have to find the position now tell me to reach at this position how I should move this is my origin from origin I have to move how much distance 20 mm in which axis x axis then from 20 mm I have to move a distance up to this it means if this is my 40 the center value will be this value will be 20 yes or no 20 means center this is the center line yes or no so once I will find the center then it will become easy for me to put the box bujhela acha now 20 mm is nothing but my starting value 20 mm this 20 can I write this 20 as pw by 2 since this is total 40 this 20 is nothing but pw by 2 now it means for this one for the x position I have to write 20 plus pw by 2 got my point so 20 plus pw by 2 means at which position I reached this is 20 plus a distance with this means the center line of this one I reached over here yes or no in axis I reached over there then but I need the position of this one so for the position of this one since this is my qw the whole width is nothing but qw then the half of this will be nothing but qw by 2 it means this distance plus this distance minus qw by 2 if I do like that then I will get this point or not yes or no to find the coordinate of this point in x axis only I have to move a distance of 20 from 20 with a distance of pw by 2 I reached over here center then I have to move back means minus qw by 2 got my point where I reached at this point only in x axis I reached at this point that's it then comma in y axis I have to move a distance of 15 plus 15 plus 35 means I'm already assumed a parameter for that PL. So 15 plus PL means I will reach this point. Yes or no? Now you tell me in Z axis what I should put. From origin, how much distance I should move in Z axis to reach this point. Each case, whereas whether it is patch or quarter wavelength or feed line, for each case the Z value will remain same as substrate thickness, because your patch or quarter wavelength or feed, all three will lie in a same plane, and for all the three plane I have to move a height of 1.6 mm, which is nothing but the height of thickness. बुझे लगे नहीं? तो मतलब origin root सही point रे पहुंचा गला, at least I have to move a height of 1.6 mm. Got my point? So this is the coordinate. This is the coordinate. बुझे लगे नहीं at this point? Yes or no? Now tell me. Now I reached over here. Yes.
सर से जो हमरो क्वार्टर वेवलेंथ रो हाइट टा सर से जो हमर थिला QT आउ
मतलब मैं नहीं ना नंबर आ position will decide where I have to start. The end point, this point will decide what are the values. मुझे लगे नहीं? Now tell me. Now I reached over here. From here, for this part, this is the box for quarter wavelength. For quarter wavelength, how much distance I have to move? QW. So in x-axis, I have to move QW. Yes or no? Now I reached over here. From here, I have to reach over here. Then what should be the value? QL. I reached over here. Now in z-axis also I have to move a bit. So what is the thickness of that copper layer? QT, which is nothing but my PT. Because both patch, quarter wavelength and feed line, all three will lie in a same value with a thickness of 0.35, and I am assuming this parameter only, this variable only for the all three cases, so that I should not have to put values again and again and again. बुझे लगे नहीं? Because these values are not variable. ये value को तो change करिवार नहीं. These values are fixed. बुझे ला? जब थोड़ा कोई दिए पुन आउट थोड़ा ठीक है ऊपर वाली कोई दिन पहुँच.
ठीक सर टोटल हाइट टा हमरो ST प्लस PT होनी.
हां हेला बस already if you will start from origin, if you are starting at ST with a thickness, then from ST you are moving to PT. It means this is ST till blue line, and from till blue line means upper half of the blue line. This is the ST, and from ST you are moving a height of 0.35, which is nothing but ST plus 0.35, ST plus PT. It means 1.95. बुझे लगे नहीं? Yes or no? These two are clear. Now for the feed line. For the feed line, where I have to start? I have to move to this. Yes or no? अच्छा, तो मैं what you have to do? You have to remember for the patch means what is the coordinate of the patch. From the coordinate of the patch, you can write the coordinate of the quarter wavelength. Only the coordinate part. From the coordinate of the quarter wavelength, you can write the coordinate of the feed line. बुझे ला? अभी देखो. This is the diagram. This is the origin. Yes or no? It is origin. This distance is nothing but 20. Sorry, this distance is nothing but 20. And from here to here, this distance is 40. अच्छा, I have to reach at this point. For reaching at this point, first I have to move 20 mm, 0 to 20 mm plus. I have to come to the center line of this patch. The center line of this patch means this width is nothing but PW by 2. Yes or no? So 20 plus PW by 2. माने मैं कोठी पहुंची गली. ए फील्ड लाइन में मझिरे पहुंची गली कि नहीं? एबे from this point I have to move back. This width is nothing but feed width. It means what will be the value of this one? What will be the value of this one? Feed width by 2 minus feed width by 2. Why I did minus? Because I was moving from origin, I was moving in plus x direction. From plus x direction, again I am moving in minus direction. That's why I am putting minus here. बुझे नहीं? बुझे ना? So this is the x position. Now I reached x position means I reached at this point. Yes. For y position, this distance is nothing but 15. 15 plus patch length plus
QL.
quarter of leather length. Yes or no? Means I reach at this position, this value, then I have to move a distance of 15 from my substrate, then the patch length, then the quarter of length, so that I got a value at this point. This is the x coordinate and y coordinate. For z coordinate, everywhere the z coordinate will be same because my all these three things will situated above the substrate, and the substrate height is nothing but h. बुझेला कि नहीं रे? So from here I have to move in x axis. I have to move feed width because I reached over here. From here I have to move in x axis like this, y axis like this, and z axis with the value of patch thickness. So in x axis this is feed width, in y axis feed length, and in z axis pt. Either you take ft or pt, both are same. बुझेला कि नहीं? And for each case you have to put that value. For feed width you know this value 5 mm. This is 5 mm. This is 10 mm. This is already assigned before. बुझेला? पॉज कर, पॉज कर, ऑन कर. कितना चाहिए?